Running a business, providing personal service, or connected with a social service community? No matter what you do, an appointment management system can optimize your meeting process. Today, we will show you how you can create your first appointment in WordPress using FluentBooking. So let's start. By the way, FluentBooking is not available on WordPress.org. You have to purchase it directly from the website. The link to purchase it is given in the description for you. And you know what? You will get the flexibility to create your first appointment straight away after installing FluentBooking on your WordPress site. And that's way quicker than you think. For a clearer overview, we will create a new calendar. But what's a calendar? Your calendar is a snapshot of all your appointments, where you are the host managing these engagements. Let's say you are planning to grow your business and need to create an appointment for yourself. To create one, go to Calendars and click on New. Select Add New Host and pick the meeting type, as FluentBooking offers both one-to-one and group meeting options. Time to give your appointment a proper title, a description that reflects your meeting agendas, and set the meeting duration. Now comes the meeting location. Ample of options are there for you. You can set meetings in Google Meet, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or at a physical address. As of now, let's go with an online meeting. Next, choose your preferred time zone and continue the procedure. Following that comes the availability. You can stay with your default settings or change the time or days depending on your needs. Click Continue and voila! See, the details you have added earlier is there. Let's get going and make things more customer-centric. Next comes the limits. With implemented limits, appointments can never affect your efficiency. Here you can add a buffer time, notice period, and time slot interval. These are handy, right? But the best part is, you can limit the number of appointments you want to attend a day or week. Not just in booking numbers, but also in hours. And keep the checkboxes ticked to permit your attendee to cancel or reschedule booking. Awesome, right? Need more information about attendees? Simply add questions based on your queries. Besides, to ensure you don't miss the appointment, set email notifications and even SMS by integrating with Twilio and WhatsApp. While mentioning about integrations, how can I forget about Stripe and WooCommerce? You can receive payments from your appointment through Stripe or take your audience to your WooCommerce checkout page using FluentBooking. To know how, check out this video. Well, with that tip, we're all set with our first appointment. Time to share the booking link. You can share it using shortcode, landing page, or add this to a blog. As the easy way is the best way, let's go with the landing page. And here it is. Looks amazing in the dark mode, which is also available in FluentBooking. It will automatically activate if your device is in dark mode. Well, your customers will see it exactly this way and book an appointment at their preferred time. And after booking their appointment, they will get a booking summary. While looking at that, they can even cancel or reschedule their appointments. Easy, enhanced, and effectual. So here you are, ready with your first appointment. Like that, you can create any kind of appointment regardless of your need with FluentBooking. Get FluentBooking today and level up in managing appointments.